Ever thought why was the reason that the schools have shifted back to offline mode completely? There were numerous instances where online bombs became offline duds. How? The reason is simple. During the online examination, students were involved more with interaction, more cheating was there, and as a result, students were relatively able to perform better, but in reality, they were not paying attention to the classes. During the classes, they were playing games or were actually not attending the classes, turning their webcam on, off, and just sitting in the classroom. The teacher thinking that the student is there, but in reality the student is not there. Despite of all this, the student was able to secure a good marks. But the same student, when it shifted to an offline mode immediately after the pandemic started to decline, what happened was these students who were performing fantastic in their online examinations faced a struggle with the offline mode. And with the offline examinations, the things became very difficult. There were even studies by psychologists and psychiatrists where students were facing difficulty with holding the pen, writing during the examination, were running with shivers and fevers while they were asked to sit down and write for 3 hours. And the real reason is they were not attentive, they were not actually studying when the mode was online. The things became extremely simple, copy paste from internet and other sources, and even the assignments were done with no effort. So all this actually was a great pressure on the student, and when the curriculum shifted offline, these students faced the real burden. However, there was another segment of students who were working hard during their online tenure as well, and as a result, when they shifted to the offline mode, even then they were able to perform relatively far better than the other students. And that's one of the reasons why there was a need to shift back to a complete offline mode, because there were numerous issues which were cited during the online mode of teaching and evaluation. So that was just an understanding of why offline exams are actually necessary and important.